just going to show real quick how this works out. When you're swinging your hammer, first off you want eye protection at least, maybe gloves, maybe long sleeves, pants, maybe hearing protection. You don't want to white knuckle grip it, you want to get a grip on it though, assertive grip on there, and not like this, not like this. Have your hand like so, and you want to swing, you want a nice round swing going, a nice arc, none of that nonsense. You want to get a good long stroke through here. Now these stones are going to be, I like to set them up on another hammer or something, so I'll have them set here, wrapped up in this towel, and I'm aiming this part, this little part of the hammer, at this part of the hammer here. I'm aiming right through the stone. So that's how I want the force to be delivered. Just think of like a pool ball. When you hit the cue ball hits the next ball. You're just going to drive right through this one. And the smaller your target here, the smaller your point of impact, the more force you're going to have. So you really want to use a round hammer. We'll talk about all that later, but you want a small point of contact. The same on the other side, so you have the most amount of force to drive apart your stones. And then what I'll do, I'll split these outside, but you can take any kind of rag or a carpet maybe. Even I've used cardboard boxes. Depending on how valuable the material is that you're splattering here, you might want to save it better or worse. So this is just a piece of granite, but you just wrap them up, protect it like so, and then you're just going to drive right onto that cloth to keep it from flying everywhere. Like I said, you could use cardboard, you could do it in a metal container maybe even. But we're going to break these two up. We're going to do it outside. Obviously, missed all the fun parts. How you doing?
We're taking the call right now.
How's it going?